Neighbor Aero traffic, 983 Sierra Papa, departing 36, neighbor.
I think you should just sit here for a while. I mean, I've had people coming out of nowhere. Oh, when if they weren't talking or what, but all right, we're gonna go for landing. Strobe. Final approach goes clear, looks good. Yeah, it looks like it's 030 now, so I think you're doing the right thing here. I don't know. Count to 10. 5, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. We'll see. There's your 55. Boring, yeah. And that windsock tells us another story. Yeah, this one's like 040 maybe. Yeah.
Oldham Joy Vortex, out of service. Advise initial contact. You information, Mike. For airport information, Mike. 2252 Zulu weather. Wind 060 at 12. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 24. Dew point 4. Altimeter 3009er. ILS 9er approaching use, departing runway 9er. VFR departures, advise ground control redirection of flight. Oldham's Joy Vortex, out of service. Advise initial contact. You information, Mike.
Alright, so 060 information, Mike. Yeah. I use this for my wind speed.
That's good. That's how you do that. That's smart.
What else is it for?
Yeah.
Nothing at this point. Here it comes.
Boy, this is nice weather.
Doesn't it? Yeah. That 182 is more fun. All right.
Manifest, Cadet 2. Neighbor Aero traffic, 3 Sierra Papa is clear to the northwest, neighbor.
Sky, 1 mouth, 1 departure prior to arrival, runway 9 clear for the option. Wind 08010.
Oh, runway 9.
Prior to my arrival, wind 080 at 9er, clear for the option. 1 Lima Alpha.
Aurora Tower, Skyhawk, 983 Sierra Papa, just off of Napier with info Mike, full stop inbound for Aurora.
November 3 Sierra Papa, Aurora Tower, enter right, down runway 9er, report midfield, just verify you at 3000, 1 mile to the southeast.
Right downwind for runway 9, report midfield at Aurora. We're 2400 right now, 983 Sierra Papa.
November 983 Sierra Papa, roger, traffic at your 10 o'clock, 4 miles northwestbound, in case 3000.
Looking, 983.
Okay, so above us. What this thing is for, right? I see him, he's right over the airport over there. We got our lights on, so hopefully that'll help.
Tuesday at 10 o'clock, so that's kind of
out to the airport. He's crossing over though now. I got him, he's like 100 feet over us. He's doing 75 knots, gonna take him a while.